guys, hoping and hoping you're doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. You read that title right. Yes, I bet most people don't know that you can actually make money on Twitter. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you 3 very simple ways, the best easiest ways you can make money on Twitter. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
You sing it, hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
So the first way you can make money on Twitter is through tweet ad. First of all, you need to choose a niche. Like, what is your niche? Politics, fashion, beauty, anything. You need to choose your niche. Maybe it's lifestyle, it's healthy living, something. Proceed and create an ad campaign after that. So once you do that, Twitter is going to notify you once your campaign is ready to be launched, and it usually does this through your email. Of course, you've entered your email on Twitter because you registered using an email, so they are going to notify you on your email once the ad campaign is ready. So once the campaign starts, your work is to send tweets according to what they require. Maybe they might require 1 tweet per day, maybe two tweets per day, 3 tweets per day. It actually depends on the campaign and the requirements of that campaign ad. And they have a threshold. They usually pay you using PayPal. I believe by now almost everyone has a PayPal account. Yes, because of course you're being paid in dollars, so you need a PayPal account to get paid on Twitter. And another thing, you need to have followers. Just like any other social media pages or platforms, you need to have followers. Yeah, you can check how to grow your followers. I've done a video on how you can grow Instagram followers really fast, and I believe just the way you grow Instagram followers, although it's not really related, but it can give you an insight on how to grow many followers at once. Don't mind my hair. Another way you can make money on Twitter now, if you have followers, you can partner with brands. I know you guys wonder how some people make a living on Twitter. Like, you will see someone does not go to work, all they do is Twitter. It's because they actually partner with brands. So it actually also depends on your niche. If you have followers, you can contact brands, and also brands can actually contact you. You've seen people who are so vocal on Twitter getting sponsored by brands, big brands like Airtel, Safaricom, and stuff like that. But if you're a small influencer, or if you're small on Twitter, you can contact brands yourself, brands that are related to what you usually talk about, because sometimes when you are small, brands will not recognize you. So you really need to start. And maybe you are a fashion blogger, you can contact fashion related blogs or something of that sort and make money, because it's so easy to make money by partnering with brands, because they will be ready to pay you as long as when you post, you get people to retweet you, to like your tweets and stuff like that. Like, if your tweet will reach many people at once, then definitely you deserve to be sponsored by brands. Another way you can take advantage of Twitter by selling your products and services. So in case you already have a fan base, you can sell your products there. If you don't have a fan base, make sure to grow your fans and then start selling your products. I have seen people selling their merchandise on Twitter, just anything. You can even open a shop and then advertise it there. Many people will want to bump to your shop and meet with you and such stuff. Like, I have seen people actually selling their products on Twitter very easily. So if you really want to make money on Twitter, you can try those 3, and this third one is the best, and it's so convenient. Like, once you grow your followers, you don't even need to struggle anymore. Just open your shop and advertise your products there. Make sure you advertise products that are related to your followers. And sometimes maybe you are a political influencer, so you have nothing, like, you don't have a specific niche. Your niche is politics, so you can sell things that are, maybe, for example, clothes for both men and women, or maybe bags or something, shoes. It's so easy to sell your products once you get followers. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this video was informative. Please like this video, because yo, I'll be coming with more tips on how you can make money. So like this video so that you can encourage this girl here, and I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, check my other videos. I've done so many videos on how you can make money online, how you can make money using Instagram, using Facebook, using TikTok, and many other ways you can make money. You don't really need only one app. You can make money using many more apps, and that's how you can earn a living being online, doing something that you like, yeah. I'm hoping to see you guys in my next video. In case you've not subscribed, please do so that you won't miss to see me on the next videos. Until next time, bye guys.